This is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So to begin with, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and your connection is strong, stable, and well, good to go. Then launch the Google search bar, type in the Fortnite APK query. Among the search results, you gotta look for either the epicgames.com website or Fortnite.com website will do just fine. Then once the web page gets loaded, confirm the download of the APK installer file, then launch it, grant to Google Chrome the install unknown apps permission or any other browser that you use. Then confirm the install or installation of the Epic Games Store app. Now you will just go ahead and skip the security scan since it is more or less useless. So then open the Epic Games Store app, obviously. Then go for the Fortnite game page and tap at the install button over here. Now we will wait for a little bit. Well, actually it might take a minute or two. And well, we'll be waiting for the Fortnite to be downloaded. As you can see, once the Fortnite game is ready to be installed, the system asks us once again to grant this time the Epic Games Store with the same install unknown apps permission, so let's do exactly that. Then we will confirm the installation of the game. Then you can open the Fortnite finally, or rather launch it. And the final step is to wait until it will download all remaining updates, resources, and etc., which are, as you can see, almost 7 gigabytes in size. And after this step will be completed, you will be finally able to start playing it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.